Taco Bell commercial. Take one. Give me one crunchy taco. I am so hungry. Orale. Wait. Hi. Taco Bell dog. Katie. Katie, look it. Here, Mom, let go. Tell her, you can wear your own hat. Hi, Caters. She's so hungry, she could eat your arm. Oh, she's so cute.
Are you finished?
Mom, did you have a good day today?
Oh, I had a wonderful day.
What did you do today?
Oh my God, what we didn't do today is we didn't go to Disneyland. We went to Olvera Street on the light rail from Norwalk to Los Angeles. We rode 3 different trains, and we were on our feet all day, and we had a blast. We ate Mexican, and
We hate Mexicans.
yeah, we
We ate Mexicans.
we hate Mexicans. Ole.
Yeah, and we saw some very interesting people on the train.
Oh yeah, including ourselves.
Including ourselves. What about you, babe?
Not ready for a nap.
Ready for what?
Nap.
Look at me. How much do you love me? Say it on
Tons.
camera so I can play it back to you.
Tons.
All right. How do you stop it, Mom?